A surge of cousins floods their grandparents' house with joyous anticipation. Ehsan and Mubashir arrive, presenting Shahanshah, their magnificent black cow. Talha and Kamran showcase Sheru, their distinguished he-goat. Saad and Ali guide Snow and Cloud, two sheep of radiant fluffiness. Huzaifa and Hamza proudly introduce Daisy, their spotted cow. The girls cluster excitedly, eager to nourish and adorn their animal companions. Children's voices fill the courtyard, echoing with the eagerness of the upcoming Baqra Eid. The air crackles with excitement as laughter mixes with the promise of festivities. Huzaifa's voice rises above the others. Let's give them a bath. Shahanshah shakes, sending water droplets flying, causing the kids to erupt in laughter. Sheru prances, trying to avoid the water, but soon gives in, now covered in soapy suds. The courtyard transforms into a vibrant canvas as animals stand bathed and gleaming, awaiting their festive adornment. Garlands of marigolds and jasmine, vibrant colors of powder paint, and tiny bells transform these gentle creatures into symbols of joy. With gentle hands, Maria adorns Daisy, the cow, with a garland of pink, its soft petals a tender contrast against her dark hide. Kamran and Talha, a whirlwind of energy, attempt to fasten a tinkling bell to Sheru, the playful bright white sheep collar. The courtyard resonates with joyous laughter and the merry jingle of bells, a symphony of childhood delight. The morning sun casts a golden glow upon the courtyard as Baqra Eid unfolds. Children stand shoulder to shoulder, their eyes filled with respect. The children listen to the prayer. The air is thick with the aroma of roasting meat, signaling the joyous union of families. The essence of the feast extends beyond personal indulgence, reaching out to embrace neighbors and the less fortunate. Delicious dishes are assembled with care, destined to grace not only their tables but also those of their neighbors and the less fortunate. Children, with faces illuminated by purpose, meticulously pack food packets, absorbing lessons of kindness and generosity. The scent of the feast wafts through the open windows, beckoning all to partake in the spirit of community and compassion. The collective spirit of generosity weaves through the gathering, transforming the act of feasting into a celebration of human connection. Each dish, each packet, and each shared smile deepens the bonds of family and community, enriching the day. The aromas of the feast mingle with the laughter, creating an unforgettable tapestry of warmth and fellowship. As the feast takes shape, a sense of unity permeates the air, binding hearts together, and the legacy of kindness and generosity is not only tasted, but also felt, becoming a part of each child's enduring character. A grand feast is set, laden with spicy kebabs, fragrant biryani, and rich korma. An array of sweet desserts completes the table. Children excitedly exchange gifts, their laughter echoing through the house. In the sun-drenched backyard, children transform into cowboys, their laughter echoing as they race across the lawn. The setting sun casts long shadows, cloaking the courtyard in a golden hue. In the tranquil hush of twilight, Maria breaks the silence. This was the best Baqra Eid ever. Joyful laughter. More animals next year. Kamran declares. Next year, we should have even more animals. The family erupts into another wave of laughter, their hearts overflowing.